Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to send an image through DMs in X. Sharing images adds an extra level of engagement and creativity to your conversations. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of sending an image through DMs in X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the envelope icon, typically positioned in the bottom drawer. Tap on it to access your messages. Step 3. Tap on the plus icon to start a new conversation. Select the account you want to send the message to by tapping on it. This will open a chat window. Step 4. Look for the image icon, usually located in the bottom input bar. Tap on it to access your device's gallery or camera. Step 5. Select the image you want to send from your gallery, or capture a new one using your camera. Once you've chosen the image, it will be added to your message. And there you have it. You have successfully sent an image through DMs in X, allowing you to share visual content and enhance your conversations. Thank you for watching, and may your DMs in X be filled with delightful and engaging imagery.